Okay, thank you everyone for your time and being ready to see what we have built and see what we guys do. See, we are CoRover, one of the leading conversational AI platforms. The traction we have seen is really awesome. 220 million users are using our platform, 22 crore. And on daily basis, we see 4 million plus daily active users. And we have seen the concurrent users has 8 lakhs, 800,000 concurrent users on our platform. See, conversational AI platform is built using our proprietary cognitive AI framework. We have chatbot as a service, manage chatbot end to end. We take care of it. We have our own platform. We create a chatbot solution and we also give a service around it so that we achieve acceptable accuracy. And we also have a self-onboarding platform where enterprises, anyone can create bot on their own. And we have seen there are many industry reports and we have seen from our large and small customers, chatbots help them generate revenue by upsell, cross-sell, and even other monetization ways. And also it helps save cost, improve user experience, and of course, operational efficiency it brings. So how we are different from others, our platform is very, very versatile. From the same platform, we can create video bot, AI-based video bot, voice bot, and the normal text bot. Omni-channel, any channel you can imagine, our bot works there. We have to create one bot and just tick which channel we need, just configure it immediately, and it will be available. Whether it's a website, mobile app, iOS, Android, WhatsApp, IVR, even our bot works with feature phone without internet in the form of SMS bot and the normal phone bot. Social media, Twitter, Facebook Messenger, Slack, and Telegram as well. Multilingual will support many vernacular languages also and almost all major foreign languages, including Arabic, which is right to left. And yeah, we support more than 10 Indian languages also. Yeah, so very robust, secure and scalable platform, which is being used by the top companies in India. I'll talk about it in a little while. See, in any AI product, technology plays a role, but data plays huge role, right? So where we need to have the machine learning models ready so that we can train the bot faster and implement the bot faster. So our proprietary cognitive AI framework helps us achieve better accuracy with less manual training. We have multi-layered patent pending framework, which makes it very, very easy for a system to understand the intent, what user is trying to ask, and then give the answer. Answer can be a static answer, or answer can be a voice, answer can be video, or any other form, or it can be dynamic answer from any API integration or any system integration. Very easy to train, very easy to integrate. So many of our clients go live without calling us. It's just one line of code. Once the bot is ready, just one line of code, put in your website and the bot is ready. And we have seen accuracy much, much better than the industry standard. So we have gained trust of very, very large national and international organizations. They work as our clients or as our partners. We are very experienced founding team. So that is very important, right? Being a startup, we are innovative, but since we have to work with the large enterprises, quality and timely delivery is also very, very important. So we do ensure the balance between the innovation and making sure we make timely and quality deliveries. We are primarily in Bangalore. experienced team. We have team from cross functions, technology, product experts, sales, marketing, operations, and data science experts. So I myself have around 15 years of corporate experience working in big companies and the smaller companies, worked in India, US, Europe. So primary, my experience was building SaaS-based enterprise platforms. I created large global teams and led them to create the products. And the products which I've created, we got hundreds of enterprise clients, and where the peak revenue was around $5 million yearly from the products which me and my team have created. Yeah, so led technology team with the peak size of around 1,200 members global. So challenges what exists today, right? Why we thought of coming up with a platform like conversational AI is, see, consumers want immediate help, right? They want to be heard immediately when they see a problem or they have any question about the product which enterprises offer or give, right? So immediate help was lacking, right? So phone calls, emails, IVRs, right? The time consuming. And if consumers don't get immediate information, what do? They go to the search engine, social media, and try to get the information. And social media does not guarantee the authenticity of that information, right? So they don't claim, right, this is the right information, right? So authenticated information, verified information, right, giving instantly is a key. And consumer wants information in his own language, and sometimes by text or sometimes by voice, right, based on the circumstances that consumer in. So if I'm driving, right, I want to know, say if I'm going to the airport, I want to know, right, what's gate number. I might not have time to kind of type, right? I should just be able to ask by voice, right, which terminal or which gate number that flight is in, right? So voice, text, and in any language of user's choice. And if organizations have to set up a call center to cater all that, giving immediate information, verified information in any language by voice or text, it's very, very costly affair. So we come up with a solution. We have our own proprietary framework, right? So even before us, we have seen there were two kind of companies, right? One was the platform companies, right? Self-onboarding platforms like from the big enterprises. So they were just giving the platform and letting the smaller companies or the big system integrators to create the bot using the platform, right? The examples are Google Dialogflow, IBM Watson. Using that, you can create a bot, right? Then there were many other startup companies and few others companies have found an opportunity for the chatbot where people started using these platforms. There are few paid platforms and few open source platforms. Like open source is Python Spicy library, and also Rasa was open source, and now I think there are few paid versions also. People started using these platforms and started creating the bot. So problem with this model was a company having platform, they had no idea about the client use cases and the data. And the company who has data use cases of the client, but they had no deep understanding of the platform and the technology, right? So then, so there was no one person who knew everything, end-to-end technology, right? How to handle, how to tune the machine learning models, right? And knowing what are the users, right? So when we have so many users, we know what users are looking for. So you don't need to spend too much time in just giving too many utterances about an intent, right? So that's why we thought of coming up with end-to-end managed chatbot as a service. We came up with the concept CAAS. So we will have our own proprietary platform, made it very, very simple, right? We create automatically the utterances. So we don't write 10 or 20 utterances per intent, right? We write very intelligently. We even auto create utterances for the intents, identify the entities, and very, very fast we can actually train our models and go live very, very fast. So yeah, omni-channel, omni-platform. As I said, video, I'll show you the demo in a while. We do deep integrations, right? We are part of the middleware of any organization, right? Understanding what is my outstanding balance, what is my account balance, what is, say, my refund status. And so deep integration with the client's system. And we also land our platform for other companies to use our platform and create bots, right? So kind of professional services kind of setup. We have many resellers globally who use our platform and they create the bots. Very secure, lightweight, reliable. So yeah, so this is just a depiction: video bot, voice bot, text bot, multilingual bot, right? And we have sentiment analysis. We have multi-intent simplification. So in one sentence, you can write multiple statements. So we have typo handling based on the context, right? Say in RuPay, if someone is saying what is UPI, system might understand is as UPA or UP. So we know in our context what has to be the correction, and we make the correction. We auto suggestions, greetings, cuss word handling. We have live analytic dashboard to find out right what users are asking, what is the answer, what is the feedback per question, and overall what are the hot topics. Very modular the reports, live reports. Reports can be downloaded. We also have live chat integration. We also have a bot and the live chat with WhatsApp also. So when the live chat is happening, so the live chat agent also can get what is the previous history of the interaction of user with the bot. So very well integrated chatbot plus live chat system. Yeah, so we have bot builder. User can create the bot using drop, kind of drag and drop, and user can also create a bot. We have a proprietary language called CBML, ChatBot Markup Language. With that, anyone who knows English can create the conversational bot. So no need to write any code, no need to write any XMLs and JSONs, no need to even drag and drop. Just write pure English with a few identifiers. Anyone, any support guy, any content writer will be able to create the bot using our bot builders. And see, overall chatbot industry is growing. I'll come to that. But you see, this is our own one-day analytics where we have shown 800,000 users concurrently. So this is over a period of time, around 220 million, 22 crore people use our platform, 1 billion plus sessions, 2 billion plus page views, right? So the chatbot industry, right, there are many research reports, it's growing, right? There are reports where it's growing at the CAGR of around 30% year on year. So there are reports which are saying the chatbot industry would be around $100 billion by 2025, right? So there are many reports who are saying $10 billion, but when we see multiple reports, we can average it out saying, the chatbot industry would be around $30 billion by 2025. And the chatbot is a low-hanging, easy implementation of AI, right? All other projects may take time to do a lot of POCs, gather a lot of data, and then actually getting the real use of AI. So chatbot, day one, you'll start getting benefit. It can be implemented across industries and it can be implemented across functions. So we have our clients in travel, in banking, finance, media, healthcare, retail, FMCG, so in various sectors. And the chatbots can be used for lead generation, for automating customer support, and helping clients discover the right products by voice or by text in any language, in any channel. So organizations get a lot of benefits. So there are a lot of revenue opportunities using the bot, reduce operational costs, right? So you our customers have reduced 30% of the cost, and there are many reports even backing up this data. So the support effort reduces to around 70%. User experiences goes up. We have seen we get more than 95% positive feedback from our users across our chatbots. So yeah, so a lot of benefits for the organizations and the users also, right? So they get immediate verified information immediately, and 24/7, and right, they don't need to be on hold, and it's very convenient to even get answered by voice. So there are many case studies across different sectors we have done. So very, very happy customers we have, and few of the case studies are there in our website, and few testimonies are also on our website. I can share more on request. So a few clients which we have catered, a few of them. So these are our co-sell, resell, monetization partners, innovation partners. Microsoft is a co-sell partner. They sell our product. So recently we launched our world's first AI doctor, which is a video bot, which Microsoft has included that in their playbook and kind of helping sell it globally. So yeah, it's a few quick stats about our product. Traction, the most tech advanced and future-ready chatbot platform. We got many national and international awards, Asia's best chatbot platform. We got a couple of patents. We got 20 plus trademarks applied, and more than 50% of them are got registered, granted. Yeah, we represented India in Israel, one of the top 5 companies. We represented India in Japan. Yeah, so got ISO certified for the process and the secure practices. We are GDPR compliant. All PII data is encrypted. So so security is very, very paramount for us. So we store the data locally in the respective country of the client. Yeah, so very secure practices we take. Yeah, thank you. Any quick questions before I move to the demo?
I think good. I think very interesting. How you build up everything. Good.
Thank you so much. So quick demo. So this would cover our Ask Doc, which ask.ai, which has a video bot, voice and text bot.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Pratik Patil. I'm infectious diseases physician in Fortis Hospital, Bangalore. I'm here to answer all your queries and questions regarding coronavirus and COVID-19.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
So he's Dr. Pratik Kumar, infectious disease specialist. So now we can ask question about COVID from him. The source of the information is from WHO, Ministry of Health, but the doctor is giving that information. And this is all virtual with the help of AI, and the users also get a lot of credibility. The doctor himself is giving that answer. How about eating non-vegetarian food?
It is safe to eat a non-vegetarian food which has been cooked well.
And is it safe to smoke or drink?
It is not advisable to consume alcohol or smoking during the coronavirus infection.
So these were the static answers, right? Now, if I ask a dynamic answer, let's see how it behaves. How many cases are in Karnataka?
Here are the details.
See, we get these details runtime and we show as a widget. And show us the testing labs in Delhi.
Here are the details.
Right. And if we ask a question, if he doesn't know, then it will be a fallback. We take the details and no, even user details if user is willing to do that, and we store in our dashboards. I'll ask a question which he's not aware of. What is CoRover?
I'll get back to you. Can you share your contact details, please?
So user can give the contact details, and the information is stored in our dashboard as a lead. And we have also integrated with Google, Calendly, Salesforce, and many other systems, SAP, ServiceNow, Submit HR, Submit, the ticketing tool, and many other tools we have integrated. We can give the details. So yeah, so that same information is also available in multiple languages. I can ask, say, in Hindi and also show you in Arabic. क्या मांसाहारी खाना खा सकते हैं?
यह मांसाहारी भोजन खाने के लिए सुरक्षित है जिसे अच्छी तरह पकाया गया है.
So if you ask question by voice, we'll get by voice. If you ask question by text, we'll get answer in text. Okay, let me say in Arabic. We can, speaker can be on or off.
يرتدي القناع فقط إذا كنت مريضا بأعراض 1-9 خاصة السعال أو رعاية شخص.
Right, so this way. And user can also click on any of these trending question and get the answer.
The coronavirus can survive on surfaces up to 8 days, depending upon the type of surface and the temperature.
Bye.
It was nice interacting with you. Keep yourself safe. Wash your hands frequently. Maintain safe distance. Avoid touching your face with contaminated hands. Take care.
So I'll show you a few use cases we have done with them. Say on IRCTC, Indian Railways, this chatbot is powered by CoRover. We can ask about the refund status and other questions. I want to know about the refund status.
Please select the type of refund from the following options. 1. Ticket cancellation.
So I can speak out, I can write, I can click. So it's not only click through, right? You would have seen few chatbots which are just click through, right? Click here and also with very little chance for user to type. Here you can type in any way, in any format. Even it's okay to have few spelling mistakes also. So I'm entering the PNR number. So I'm getting that refund. So I can also listen to it.
Refund of 1,655 rupees for PNR 67415.
So I can also say I want trains between Bangalore to Delhi. Right, to search trains between Bangalore to Delhi. So we understand the intent, we understand the entities here. So I'll show you another important use case we have done for Indraprastha Gas Limited, right? We went live recently. So they have a lot of people, more than 100 people on the call center. So during pandemic time, people can even avail the services without calling, without going. So we can check the outstanding balance, right? My outstanding bill. We can also ask by voice, by text. We can enter the BP number, say yes, confirm the name. outstanding balance is this, right? And so even people can raise complaint, like if the gas is leaking. Indraprastha Gas Limited has CNG in the northern region of India, primarily in Delhi, and they also provide gas, piped natural gas in the household. If the gas is leaking, people can even raise complaints using this bot. It will not go to call center. Immediately a ticket would be created and it will go to the emergency response team for the immediate help. So many use cases we have done, and I'll quickly give you important demo where machines are talking to the workers. It's a factory setup where if machine goes bad, machine says, hey, this is a problem, you please fix it. And even workers ask, how to fix. Machine gives the reply, how to fix that. I'll quickly give the demo. So this is
Is the machine running? No. Is the machine stopped? Yes. Please put problem deposit in now field by referring to the image and confirm.
So he has asked a question, if this is a problem, what to do, and machine has given, our bot has given the answer. It was an image, sometimes a video comes, sometimes the voice comes in his own language. We support multiple languages, how to fix that. So he's following up the instructions given by our bot.
Okay. Is the problem resolved? No. Please check both roadmaps and reset the code by referring to the image and confirm.
So the answer given by machine, still the machine was not started. So now our bot has given another solution. So he's doing that. So there's a complete decision tree created in the industrial setup, right? We combined AI and IoT. So this is one of the largest manufacturing company in India, and they do say this is their dream project. This was their dream project. And now I'll show you the,
Attention please. Please check the line number 6. Loose end rejection has crossed 1250. I repeat. Please check the line number 6. Loose end rejection has crossed 1250.
So the machines know what problem has happened, right? We sense that problem and speak out that problem in the user's own preferred language, what problem has happened, so that immediately action can be taken. So here the quality parameter has exceeded, and this guy has to now act on it. Even we have another third use case where this worker can say, hey, start the machine, stop the machine, using our bot. And quickly, I'll show you the same bot is, as I said, it's there in SMS, email, Facebook Messenger, Twitter. I'll show in WhatsApp. So I'm just asking. So these auto answers are coming. Whatever are there in web chatbot, it's there in the WhatsApp also. So enter the BP number. So it will ask whether this is the name. We'll say yes. And we get the outstanding balance. This is the WhatsApp. So the same bot available across. And our chatbot also works through the phone call also. If I want to quickly show the demo.
Call Cloud9 IVR.
Calling Cloud9 Mobile.
So this is just for the demonstration. This is not live, and it's a disclaimer.
Hello, welcome to Cloud9 Hospitals. How can we help you today?
I want to book an appointment with Dr. Parveena tomorrow at 5 p.m.
Sure, your appointment is confirmed with Dr. Praveena Shenoy tomorrow at Old Airport Road. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
This was just a phone call. Just a phone call, and with the bot, right? You don't need to press 1 for this, press 2 for this. Thank you. I think I'm done. Would be happy to take any questions, please.
Okay.